How to change your privacy settings on Roblox to join private servers. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your privacy settings on Roblox in order to join the private servers. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and then choose Settings. Now from this settings page, tap on Privacy and Content Maturity that is below the security option. Now once you're here, make sure that all the settings are either set to friends or no one. Scroll down to other settings section as well and you will see who can make you the member of your private server. Simply go ahead and tap on no one or friends or anything that you'd prefer, depending on who you want to be able to invite you to their private server. And if you don't want anyone, and if you want anyone to be able to add you, select everyone. And you can also adjust the other settings over here. And that's it. This is exactly how you can easily change your privacy settings on Roblox in order to join the private servers. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.